Hey guys and gals, welcome back to our channel, doing redneck things off grid. We're just doing a couple of projects. The wind finally let up and Leanne's going to work on the gate. We had the wind damage the gate, and I'm working on the solar thing. I got, oh, where'd it go? Here it is. Here it is. Let me get this for you here. I'm filming with my phone, so bear with me. So on our solar tracker, I had these bolts run through, and it's not quite strong enough. The stock's not thick enough. As you can see, it's pretty thin. So what we did, hey squirrely squirrel, there's squirrely squirrel. So what I did was I bought a chunk of iron, and I laid it out on here. So I'm gonna drill the holes before I cut them off. It's a little easier with the longer stock. And you see this is quite a bit thicker than the other stuff. So hopefully this will strengthen up. Because of the wind has been gotten so bad, we've been trying to stay on top of this stuff. So this, just for so you know, guys, this is like a 3-foot piece of metal, and it was $39. It's crazy. All right, guys and gals, we will get back to you in a minute. All right, guys and gals, I got them all cut and drilled, and I still got some extra stuff for other things. I'm using my Sawzilla. I'm not getting paid by Milwaukee, but I made short work of cutting that. And my little red lithium 1/4-inch driver and my 1/2-inch drill. So I got that done now. I just got to put them back together. So hang in there. All right, this is Leanne's project here. This is our holder for our Mighty Mule gate arm. With the wind the other day, as you can see, it got bent pretty good. So she's in the process of starting that. She got her little anvil. I'd put it up here on the bench.
I don't think the bench would handle it.
The bench would be fine, really. That way you don't have to bend over. With your back the way it is, I wouldn't do that. So she's gonna put that Mighty Mule thing on the bench here, on her little anvil we got. I don't remember where we got that. It's pretty cool though.
Horseshoeing.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
It's gonna be out there. Oh, that's a pain in the ass, huh?
You can't say ass on the film.
I didn't know you were filming.
Oh yeah, see. It's like, oh, did your boobs fall out? So we screw that onto the table, too?
Well, no, I use it.
Huh?
I use it.
For what? I think she's getting it. Flip it over and pound from the other side. Thanks for getting your butt in the camera there, Mrs. Blondie. All right, we'll get done with you. We'll get back to you once you quit the beating on this thing. All right, guys. Check out the blonde lady Shira here. She's almost got it. Show everybody. Almost got it. She's getting her back. We've been taking turns whacking on it, and now she's putting her 110 pounds on it, trying to twist it. So here we go, the She-Ra. Dun dun dun. I am Metal Master. Look at her go. Ooh, it's going. You want 220 on there instead of 160? Look at you. You're an animal. Animal. Alright, you might have to redo that. You might have to whack on that a little bit more. So, alright, we'll get back to you. We're going to work on this some more. I'm going to help her out. Alright, guys and gals, I'm going to call it a night. We had a minor mishap. The tractor fell off the bolts and dang near crunched Leanne. So, we're calling it a night. Get some more recruits over here tomorrow. God bless everybody. Thanks for watching our channel. We'll see you on the next one.